ऐसी वाली ब्लॉक फेटा चाहिए उसके लिए, क्रम्बल्ड फेटा नहीं. हाँ. Anyways, welcome back to another vlog. Mayank is working right now and I was also working. I was editing a video and now I'm uploading it, a recipe video. So if you guys have not checked out, we have started posting new recipes in our tonight's special channel. So don't forget to go subscribe, like, share and enjoy the recipes. So basically, I think so today what we are doing is that we are not deciding what we want to eat or what to make, like typical lunch or something. Just eat as you feel like, kind of thing. When you feel like eating something, just go and eat it, kind of. That's why I'm not even making lunch or anything. But right now I feel like eating something which is going on in my mind. I guess it's like I'm gonna use a tomato wrap. I'm gonna add a little bit of marinara sauce, feta cheese on one side, and I have a little bit of chicken. I'm gonna shred it, add that, and olives on one side, black olive, and make like a wrap. So I'm thinking of that, but let's see. And not Mayank, Marvel is busy playing here with his rooster. Yeah, that's the rooster crying.
And 1 and 2 and fight.
He and his rooster.
And 1 and 2. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. And go.
Alright, mommy's going downstairs, okay, Marvel? Alright, I'm going down.
He doesn't care. Momo, Marvel. Mommy's good.
I'm going downstairs. Move it. Don't come behind me. Don't come behind me. Why are you coming behind me now? Look at him, look at him. Anyways, I'm going down because I'm feeling a little hungry, so I'm gonna go make something. Today I'll also be shooting a makeup video in the afternoon, so I eat something. A girl gotta eat something. Alright. How the wrap looks like: feta cheese, a little bit of tomato basil sauce, and shredded chicken, onion and olives. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna cook it in here, so it's going to be nice and delicious. Look at how delicious it came out. Super crunchy. Ooh, yum. Alright guys, I just got done with my makeup shoot. This is what I did, and you're gonna see the full tutorial on this channel. As whenever it's out, you guys will get notified, so don't forget to go and ring that bell button. Just relaxing here with this guy. Mayank is off work and I don't know what the plan is for the evening. I guess we don't really have any plan today. I don't know. The day has been very quiet for us today. He was working and I was doing my makeup video, and Marvel was sleeping the entire day. So yeah, let's see what we do in the evening. Alright, our plans for the evening has drastically changed. We are not gonna sit home and get bored. We are actually going out to pick up some food, and from there we're gonna go to Nitish and Ashley's place. We were actually craving for Momo, chicken Momo, since yesterday. And yesterday when we were in that area to pick up the Momo, the store was closed because whatever. So now I just called Nitish to ask him which place serves good momos, chicken momos, and he was like, this restaurant. And then I was like, okay fine, okay bye. And he was like, oh, kaam ho gaya to bas, okay bye. You just wanted to ask me about this and you're not sending many momos. And we were anyways planning to pick the momos up and go to their place and like eat it with them. So they don't know yet. We are gonna do that. Quickly gonna get ready, change our clothes, and I'm not able to open this. Change our clothes and order the food and head out to their place.
Alright, so you guys know that we are going to Yashu's place, and he was super pissed because we cut off the phone after we asked for the restaurant that he loves to eat momos from, and we told him that we are gonna get it from there. So by the way, this is the name of the restaurant. We are over here. It's called Himalayan Range Nepali Restaurant. Surprising enough, when we were in Florida, we don't have so many restaurants around us, but here, around here, we have so many Indian restaurants, and not just Indian. There are so many of different each cuisine. Like there's so many Nepali restaurants, Kathmandu kitchen. Then we have so many other restaurants, and then we have so many restaurants that are North Indian, so many South Indian restaurants. My goodness. So anyways, Tanya is in there. She is getting the order. There she is. Our order is ready.
It smells so good.
Oh. Alright, without any further delay, we gotta head to their place.
Here, and I was
Not a surprise at all.
oh please, I was telling them, Nitish was like, you just took the address and you're not even, that is so rude, and that's it. But he didn't know the surprise. Momo is here finally.
ruin the surprise, I can tell you. And almost Ashley's heart actually skipped a beat.
Ashley took Everly and she was going to hide in the room. She was thinking somebody who is knocking at the door.
Like, let somebody happen to the husband if she doesn't care. She's worried about herself. Excuse me.
Ooh, look at that door. Let me show everybody. Look at this door.
This is the door we made.
Oh, this is handmade and homemade.
Handmade, homemade.
Doggy door. Very nice.
Nice size, right?
Yeah, very nice.
Size and everything, and this is another thing we made.
Ooh, nice. Ooh, look at that. This is again homemade and handmade. So if you want to order this, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can order it. And it comes in customized. You can customize whatever you want it over here. Babe, look at the doggy door. Look at the doggy door they made.
Obviously, that's for a bigger size dog. The little dogs can fit.
All size dogs.
Oh, little ones can fit. Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we
I
can
mean,
like,
very little they'll pass from between.
I think 4B.
Size is not gonna pass.
Yeah, 4B can pass. I think.
Yeah.
Or no?
I mean, I'm thinking that's for marble.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's a job well done.
Yeah.
It's very light.
Astro, you can come here.
Very light. It's very light. All right, we're playing a game over here. Elliot, what are we playing? Uno Tag, is that your favorite game? Alrighty. So the only difference is this game has a little bit new cards in addition to Uno, and then this thing is supposed to fire up the cards. Instead of picking it from the deck, it fires randomly n number of cards. That was the reason it took forever last time to finish this game. So let's see how long it's gonna take today to play and finish this game. Alright, so one of the fun cards here is, it looks like this. So Elliot played this card and he can pick anybody to press 2 times and pick a color. So I have to press this thing 2 times and see what happens. 1, 2, and I'm saved. Go ahead, Mary. There we go. And that's how this game never ends.
Your turn. Now you gotta press twice.
Now try again.
It was not even your turn because that time.
There we go.
Maybe good thing.
I got no yellow here. Your turn.
Is that a 9?
Two cards left. No, I don't have a game.
You can play your other one.
9 or green?
Oh. What color?
I can yellow.
And what do you want to do? It's gotta be for mommy.
Mommy.
You can skip mommy or make it press a couple times. What do you want to do?
I want you to press it.
How many times?
Four.
He's a savage. What color did you change to?
Yellow.
Yellow. Look at the amount of cards she has right now.
I have one more card left.
Okay.
Wow. But
He's winning. You didn't say uno.
You didn't say Uno.
he said Uno. He said?
Yeah. Yeah, he did.
Not card then.
Somebody reverse it. I can do something.
Whose turn it is? Mine.
The sound.
What color
2,
did you change
3,
it to?
4.
Whoa!
This has never happened before.
She played the card that I am supposed to hit 4 times and none of the card came out. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh, whoever.
Which color?
What color am I?
Oh, sorry, red.
Red?
Yeah.
Shoot.
No, I don't
So
know.
Jamie,
Now it's gonna come now for sure. Alright. Hang on, I can show, right?
Sorry.
Very easy.
Sorry. I forgot. It wasn't your draw for.
Who's low on cards right now?
don't even look at me.
I think
Not me. Ashley has and
Mary!
has the
Mary.
Only
There's 3 cards left.
Sorry, Mary, you gotta press 2 times. Color changes to blue.
Oh.
I think it's low on cards.
Six.
No, there is a full deck there.
There are cards. Who's turn?
Alright, hold on. It's blue, right?
Yeah.
Got our blue card.
Get the
Look
blue
at
deck.
Tanya's deck.
Oh my god, she got 1 card now. Say uno.
She does not.
Hold on. I have more.
So if you guys are wondering, there's a card that which makes you play all those color cards that you can. That's the card. If you have that card, you can play all of those colors.
It's reversed now.
So
Yeah.
Tanya just played all those cards right there.
She reversed it. Back to Ashley.
Ashley's turn.
Whew, phew.
For all I changed it to green.
And a number? No, I got a green. There you go.
What number?
You have to pick Bua.
What color, Elliot?
I changed to blue.
Okay.
And there she thought she is gonna win.
I changed it to yellow.
Oh, he's here. It was so quiet, so we just wanted to see where Astro is, but he's sitting here like a good boy.
He's out here.
He was sitting right here, Astro. You were being a good boy. Mister?
Hey, like good answer?
Yes.
Daddy,
Yes.
bring me that. What's this? I want to do that.
Astro, see? Astro.
What's happening?
I
Barbie.
What's happening, Babush?
Astro. Here. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you go home?
I need to stay here.
He's gonna stay here. He's not gonna come with us. He's gonna stay home with his mommy daddy.
Oh, yeah, that's the other thing.
We made
What is this?
A beer opener.
a beer opener.
Ah, and then you put
Beer
the,
this thing on.
what is it called? It's over here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
As I told you guys, I'll put the link in the description box below if you guys want to buy any of these stuff. Alright, Elliot? Say bye!
Bye.
Alright, we are going home and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. So until then, bye bye!